All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. So today I will be doing a Chanel agenda unboxing, as you can tell from the highlights of this video. It is a beautiful quilted A5 agenda. I'm super excited about this. I will be talking about the backstory behind how I got this and all of that at the end of the video, and I will also show a clip of me in the stores picking out the agenda as well. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned at the end of this video. But I know you're all here for a reason, which is to see details of the agenda up close and in person. So let's not waste any time whatsoever. I hope you guys like this up close sort of aerial view and side view video. Well, it's a little bit zoomed in, but I feel like that's a good thing when I have it laid out. So anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So first I'm gonna undo the bow. Super exciting. She actually gift wrapped this for me, which I'm really excited about because typically they just put it in regular packaging, but she did go in and give me the tissue paper and everything because I told her I was a paper lover and all of that stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So here's the bow. I'm just gonna put that aside, and then I'm taking out the beautifully wrapped Chanel agenda. Oh my goodness, you guys. I will give pricing and details all at the end of this video as well. So this is definitely my first Chanel purchase, and to preface this, I have a lot of luxury bags, but I don't have any Chanel bags, and the reason for that is, first of all, Chanel is really expensive, and one bag from Chanel is equivalent to like 2 or 3 bags from other companies. So I haven't really looked into investing in one bag wise. But another reason is I have not really met any sales associate who was actually nice, informative, and kind before, which is really sad. I've been to Chanel stores in various department stores and some other ones in the States as well, and none of those sales associates gave me a good vibe. All of them were always super rude and just not helpful at all. Like, they have to keep in mind that not everybody is a millionaire and is going to not ask questions and need to kind of think about things before buying things. They kind of assume that you walk in there, you know what you want, and you're gonna buy it. And I also don't like the lying. A lot of these sales associates lie and tell you they don't have something, or they don't make it like a certain way or something like that, which is also the case with this agenda. I did go into a department store and I tried to ask for this agenda when it launched, and literally the sales associate looked at me like I was crazy and all that stuff. But anyways, I'll get into more detail about that at the end of the video, so if you guys want to see the rant, you guys can skip to that part as well. But let's just get into the unboxing. So cute. First off, it comes with a beautiful Camilla flower with a sticky backing. Very nice. I'm going to keep this. I do keep these beautiful handmade silk flowers. You also get these when you buy earrings or when you buy cosmetics occasionally, if they do have it at a standalone store. I know in Vegas they have a beauty section, and when you buy things, if the sales associate is nice to you and you ask nicely, you can get one of these silk flowers. Next thing here is my receipt. I will show you guys the pricing in a different shot. I will show you the pricing of that. So I'm just gonna keep this bow on the side. Oh, it says my address in it, so I can't really show you guys, but here's the receipt. I'm definitely gonna keep the receipt for resale purposes and for tax purposes, so this is there. And let's get into the agenda itself. And Chanel tissue paper as well. I'm just gonna undo the bow. And I'm definitely gonna keep all the packaging and everything as well. I'm just gonna put the bow aside. And she beautifully wrapped it with a Chanel clear sticker, which is really nice as well. I'm just gonna use my nail to get under there. I think I'm gonna actually use a pair of scissors. I'm not gonna cut the paper, but I'm just gonna use this to lift the adhesive off of the sticker. Okay, there's the Chanel sticker. I am putting that off to the side as well. And then slide it out. I'm just gonna slide it out, and here is the box. So beautiful. A nice sturdy black box. And I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then it comes with its own dust bag, and over here it has details of the item as well in different languages, like how to care for it. So it's the care for sheet. I'm gonna put that over there. Here it is in the dust bag. I'm just gonna undo the twine at the top. I'm gonna open it up, and here it is. Gorgeous. Okay, so first off, here is the things. It comes with inserts and a address book. So I'm gonna move this to the side. And here it is. Here is the caviar leather agenda in A5 size. It is a zip around agenda, and it is basically, it's a notebook cover slash agenda, but I call it an agenda because that's how I'm going to be using it. Zip all the way around, beautiful light gold hardware. When you open it up, there's just tissue paper. It has hard cardstock. And then here is the interior, absolutely beautiful leather. Oh my goodness, this is like luxury on another level. I'm not going to show that, but it has the authentication card with the number. I just have my thumb over the number so people can't replicate this on the fake market, and that's just the authentication card. I'm going to put that aside. Over here we have cardboard insert, and then another cardboard insert in the back pocket over here. And there, by the way, very, very nice. Get over here as well, like a little card holder pocket. And then it has two big back pockets for the notebook itself, which is really amazing. So here is the agenda. You can also kind of use this as a clutch if you want it to be fancy as well. There's also this little piece of tape over here, which I'm going to peel off, the seal. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. It is super, super shiny. I mean, you can't tell on camera, but it is a light pale gold. Very, very subtle and beautiful. Okay, so here is what it looks like all around. It's just so beautiful. The quality feels amazing. I've never owned a Chanel agenda before, and I'm super, super happy about the quality. It feels so nice in my hands. Okay, so moving along to the actual inserts. It comes with the inserts, and you can actually buy these inserts yearly. It's the notebook. So I'm just gonna open it up. Insert, absolutely beautiful. It has this beautiful acetate topper. It has a sketch that Karl Lagerfeld did of Coco Chanel. The sides, I don't know if you can tell, but it's all gilded silver. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a gilded silver notebook. And then I'll go into the details of the notebook in just a second, but behind that, they also give you a address book, and it's in a beautiful, like, suede, velvety, textured paper with some silver Chanel lettering as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's beautiful. That's how the back looks like as well. When you open it up, it gives you alphabetized tabs at the side that is coated with plastic to keep the tabs staying fresh. And then you just have A to Z lines. So you can write down the address and everything of your friends, your family members, and everything if you are that type of a person. So that's in there. I'm going to put this aside, show you guys how it looks like. So the rings will fit perfectly in there. I'm going to take the back side, which is a harder cardstock. That's how it sounds like. It's a stiff cardstock. And this is nice and thin, so it fits perfectly into the agenda. Like so. And that's how typically your agenda will look like when you open it up. So you will have the beautiful Miss Coco Chanel image, and with the protective acetate layer. And then it has the Chanel 2020 calendar already in there. What you get is you get all the different holidays. And I believe all of the holidays in here are French holidays, actually. So that's really interesting. And then you have international information. You have a list of different countries and their currency. and their telephone number and just all that kind of stuff, and then useful phone numbers for police assistant, fire brigade, emergency services, and directory of inquiries for different countries. So for example, I already know these. 999 is Hong Kong police, 911 is Canadian and American police, and yeah, it just has all those really important information as well. So if I ever go to Japan, I know it's 110. So that's actually very, very important. I'm gonna move along over here. It has national holidays for first of the year and then national holidays for second half of the year. And this is holidays in different countries as well. So it has like the different countries. Then you have this table of conversions over here as well, and temperature conversions to Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is actually super useful, and I feel like I should make inserts like that as well. Anyways, a notes page, and it has a beautiful light gray CC. And then you have the months, which is really nice, all the months of 2020. Months go until December, so you'll have to buy a new Chanel agenda at the end of the year. The next thing I want to talk about is the paper quality is actually not that great. It's really, really thin, and I know my pens will bleed through on this, so I don't actually plan on using this agenda. I think I'm just going to keep it, or I might sell it online. Let me know if you guys are interested. And yeah, so you have all these note pages as well. And then you also have the week on 2 pages with a vertical. So I'm not sure when my camera cut off, but I was just saying that the calendar continues on with a week on 2 pages with a vertical layout, and it's hourly dated. And then after you get all the weekly inserts, at the very, very back, it ends in January, on January 10th, and then you'll have to get a new calendar. And then you'll just have the calendar year of 2021 with all the holidays. And then you have a 2021 year at a glance that you can fill out. And then you have more notes page with the Chanel logo, which is absolutely beautiful. And then at the very last page, you get where the locations of all the different Chanel stores are, which is kind of cool. You get the flagship store up there in Paris, and then you have different parts of the world where their stores are, and then you also have the provinces. For example, in Canada, the provinces that have a Chanel store, and then in USA they have the states that have a Chanel store, and then the actual city. So for example, in California they write Beverly Hills, Costa Mesa, Los Angeles, San Francisco, which is kind of like interesting as well. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, so that's that with the agenda itself. And here is the address book, which actually you can put behind it as well. I would probably do something like this, so that it's all in one place, and then you can just flip to this and have this as a cover page, or you can put it behind everything, but that's not as effective because you can't flip it. I would put it over here. So that's that is the Chanel agenda. It is amazing. If you guys were wondering what other notebooks fit in this, please keep on watching. It is from Cloth and Paper. It is A5 size, and I got this from their Cloth and Paper subscription box. If you guys are looking to order Cloth and Paper anything on their regular site, you can use my discount code. I'll link it down below. Anyways, back to this. So this will fit perfectly in here as well. This particular notebook, it is grid paper, so you can definitely create your own spreads in here as sort of like a bullet journal type of thing. And then, as you can see, I'm just putting the cover into the Chanel planner. It fits beautifully. Okay, so that's the first kind of journal that you can use in this agenda. Let's move on to another one. So I just have this agenda as well. This is an A5 size Leuchtturm agenda. It is Leuchtturm 1917. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I just call it Leuchtturm. And yeah, so this is the gray one, and this is the bullet journal that I've been using for the 2019 year. As you can see, it is my 2019 bullet journal. I don't know if you guys can tell from the spine that I wrote in calligraphy, but this is my own personal bullet journal. So let me see if this will fit. Okay, so this fits perfectly as well. You could use this as a bullet journal notebook cover as well. As you can see, it fits perfectly with the cover inside. It does stretch the leather a little bit, but I'm not too worried about that because it is a zip-up agenda. Even if the leather of this gets really, really loose, nothing will fall out because this is a zip-up agenda. So I'm not really too concerned about that. I could easily just put my A5 agenda in here and zip it up like so, and zip it up like so without even tucking it into the little pocket as to stretch it out. So this actually works perfect like this as a notebook cover for my beautiful A5 notebook. Okay, so that was my unboxing of my Chanel agenda. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to stick around, I'll be showing you clips of me in the store looking at all the planners. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys later.
You struggling?
Yeah, I'm like...
She came in asking for the cover and then she finds this with the notebook
It comes
too.
with the notebook.
It's made in Italy, this one.
Oh, I see.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Little Carl design. I think you should get it just because of that.
Am I gonna get... But if I don't buy it...
You're
will I
gonna
get
be like,
buyer's remorse?
yes you will. 100%.
I feel like I should do an Instagram poll.
No.
No, it's expensive though. LV ones are like... Well,
Except
LV ones are like
there's-
900, right?
A zipper and then there's pockets inside.
I know, but it's different. It has to be like, I think it's A5.
Ooh, let's sunny it up. Actually, I'm not crazy about these sunglasses. That's cute though. But she's still struggling over here, so. Look how sick.
It's so...
And it's 2020. How apt is that?
Will this be my Christmas gift to myself? I think so. Okay, I think I'm gonna get it. I've just
Good
been
for
talking,
you.
looking at- yeah,
Good for you.
Also mentioned that they had this version of the agenda downtown as well in downtown Toronto, the flagship store. So if you guys are interested, you can go and pick it up as soon as possible because it's the last one left as well. So yeah, I thought I would mention that really quickly for you planner lovers who are in the greater Toronto area. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun filming it, and yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, you can follow me on my planner Instagram as well at I'm So Wong #3. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.